Hey everyone, want to create custom events in Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to set up custom events and track specific user actions on your website step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the GA4 property where you want to create a custom event. Now open the Admin Asterisk section from the bottom left corner of your Analytics dashboard. Next, go to Asterisk Events and review the existing events that Google Analytics is already collecting automatically. If you want to track a specific action, click Create Event and choose the option to create a new custom event. Now enter a name for your custom event. Choose a clear name that describes the action you want to measure, such as a button click, form submission, download, or specific page visit. Next, set the conditions that define when the event should be triggered. You can use existing event parameters and create rules based on user actions. Save your custom event and wait for Google Analytics to start collecting data. After creating the event, test it by performing the action on your website and checking the *real-time ** report to confirm that it is being recorded. Once the event collects data, you can mark it as a conversion if it represents an important business goal. Finally, review your custom event reports regularly and use the insights to improve your website experience and marketing strategy. And that's how to create custom events in Google Analytics. By tracking specific user actions, you can better understand visitor behavior and make smarter decisions using accurate website data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.